Hello everyone, welcome to Shitich Career. So this is MCQ based on agriculture current affairs of month January 2020. So this presentation is prepared by me. My name is Ashish Lad. This information is about me. So the first question, Krishi Karman Award, which has given to the states for agriculture production, KVK, best agriculture scheme, or none of these. So the Krishi Karman Award is given for agriculture production. Third Global Potato Conclave held at Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Rajkot, Gujarat, Surat, Gujarat, or none of these. And the correct answer is, it is held at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The conclave is being organized by Indian Potato Association, that is IPA, in collaboration with Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi, and ICR Central Potato Research Institute, Shimla, and International Potato Center situated at Lima in Peru. Headquarter of Krishak Bharti Cooperative Limited, that is KRIPCO, is at Noida, Lucknow, Varanasi, or New Delhi, and the correct option is Noida. So on January 9, 2020, agriculture cooperative leader and Rajya Sabha MP Chandrapal Singh Yadav of Uttar Pradesh constituency has been re-elected unanimously as chairman of Krishak Bharti Cooperative Limited, that is KRIPCO. He has been the chairman from July 1999 to May 2010 and thereafter from February 2015 till date. Dash has become the first state in India which has made a policy to lease agriculture land. Options are Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Kerala. Correct option is Uttarakhand. Which bank has signed a loan agreement of $210 million for Maharashtra's agribusiness and rural transformation project? World Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Asian Development Bank, or New Development Bank? And the correct option is World Bank. Which Indian city hosts the first Farmer Science Congress recently? Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, New Delhi? And the correct option is Bengaluru. National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, that is NIRDPR, has recently partnered with which global organization to establish a communication resource unit? Options are UNICEF, World Bank, UNESCO, IMF, and the correct answer is UNICEF. A committee is set up by which state to suggest measures to improve forest tourism? Options are Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Kerala, Goa, and the correct option is, it is Maharashtra. India Meteorological Department, that is IMD, Foundation Day has celebrated in 2020 on which date? 15th January, 18th January, 20th January, or 25th? And the correct option is 15th January. So if you like this video, please press like button. Thanks for watching.